Thanks for checking out another one of our videos here. We've got probably 700 and some odd videos on YouTube. This is going to just be a show and tell video of a Dare Enforcer model DE1200. It's a 3-joule output unit that we fixed for a customer. So if you've got one of these Dare Enforcer model, they make bigger ones, smaller ones of this brand, but we work on all that stuff. So if you'd like to send us one, our website's fencerfixer.com, and our address is right over there. We also work on cattle scales and low bars and weigh scales for weighing animals and stuff. Might be working all brands and ages of these things. So, but yeah, this is a Dare Enforcer model DE1200. They make a 2400, a 3600, and I don't know, make a bunch of other ones as well. They make a DE500, a little smaller one than this. But we'll plug it in here and see it flashing along there and clicking. That's the inside of it. Got your capacitor, circuit board, and a big transformer sits underneath there. Pretty good little layout to it, the way it works. Power comes in over here. It's got a little fuse on it. They don't go bad typically, but fuses there, I guess, just in case for AC power surge stuff. But it goes through this set of capacitors right here. They call it a multiplier circuit. It builds up the charge, and it gets over to the big capacitor. And by the time it gets over to the big one, right over here, it's usually about 400 to 600 volts DC, maybe higher on certain models. And you got this timing device over here that fires it. Triggers and fires the energy from the capacitor. That goes straight into the input side of the transformer right there. There's two metal tabs. And then it spikes it up from, say, 400 or 500 volts DC to about 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 volts DC output every time it clicks. The clicking sound itself comes from the transformer. We'll go ahead and test this unit here. Put it across the fence and ground. Getting a little over 7,000 volts, 7,500 volts out of it. So it's a nice little unit. I mean, it's 3 joules. It's not real big, not real small. It's a nice little size unit. I mean, this thing is age-wise, it is 2009 model, so it's got a little age on it. All the parts are made for it. They may be fixed. I mean, whether it's 2005 or 2021 model, they're basically all the same on the inside. They have a few different versions of the boards, tweaks and changes, different capacitors for bigger, smaller. Let's just go across the terminals here. I'll show you spark jumping from it. So, camera's not always picking it up with the frame rate and brightness and everything, but it's a good little unit. I mean, this thing got hit by lightning and blew the transformer up on the inside. Board was still good. Capacitor checked out fine. So if you want to send us in one for us to look at, be happy to take a look at it. We do give free quotes, like I was saying. Oops, wrong screw. Something else. I find the screws for this dumb thing. I put them somewhere. I don't know where I put them at. Find them here in a minute. But yeah, it's good to go. I mean, we use multimeters and soldering irons and everything else to test things out and fix things. So you're welcome to send one into us. Fencerfixer.com is our website. There's our address. But we work on all brands and ages of these fence chargers, and also work on livestock weigh scales and EID tag readers like Gallagher's and True Tests and stuff. But anyways, until we do another video, happy to help you out. And subscribe to the channel, ask us questions, send things in. Happy to work on them for you. But until next time, we'll see you guys later on.